Hello you, I hope you're doing well today. My name is Juliet Uzor and I'm back again with our creating and living vlogs where I like to share my sewing adventures, my crafting journey interlaced with lifestyle events through my lens. So you might be wondering, what do we have on the agenda? Here's the plan we have for today's vlog. So I need to get back on track with my activity level, seeing as crafting, writing, sewing and all of that has kind of made me a bit more sedentary than out of love. I need to get a cuppa with my little girl and prepare for our podcast recording. I've got a brand new tool that I need to try out. I've got some mending that needs to happen, so I'm going to do some mending for my daughter. I also need to hang out with family and friends. I've got lots of sewing as usual, and I need to record a video as well, and then I need to do a book signing event. So there's a lot going on, but I'm up for the task, so let's get this show on the road, right?
I am a fitness instructor and a personal trainer, and Juliet is doing amazingly. So good, so consistent, putting in the hard work. Awesome.
I'll put Sarah's link. I'll put the link to Sarah's website and your Instagram.
Yeah, Insta. Yeah, my Insta's a bit rubbish, but it's there.
I'll put it in the link below in case you want to join any of Sarah's classes.
Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it?
Oh, that was quite funny. That was quite funny at the end. And they didn't cut it out.
Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah, yeah.
Oh my god! Like, easy.
Jeez, what's going on? It's so good. Did you hear my excitement? I was extremely excited. This thing is a power tool. Actually, it is a power tool. I have a very tiny piece. Well, let me get my scissors. And there's a tiny little piece that needs to be chopped off. And I didn't want to use the power scissors for that bit. because I'm just worried it might cut into the seam. So I'll just show you the seam allowance. Yeah. So with my scissors, this is just paranoid me doing this. Some of you might be better at handling this with a power tool. I am not. So I'm going to try to cut around a curve. It's not really much of a curve using this tool. So currently we've had dinner, just rounding things up for the day, clearing up, and then I will just, actually what I need to do is upload the episodes we've recorded onto our Google Drive and get it ready for the editor. So once the editor gets in touch, or when he returns my email, I would forward the 2 episodes we recorded and, get the ball rolling of our podcast, Uncut Podcast. I'll leave the link to listen to our podcast in the description box below.
Love should be easy. Why should it not? When all you want is to be loved, is to be loved. But love ain't easy. You taught me that. I let you in, now you want out, now you want out. I don't understand.
We're currently in Battersea Park, and it was like thunder and lightning in the past 10 minutes. And over there we have Go Ape, and at the Go Ape adventure ground you can't really get on until like half an hour after the last lightning strike. So we have to take the kids elsewhere. They're playing here in the adventure garden or adventure park. It's called the Play Space, and afterwards we'll go for a meal. So it didn't work out today, but there'll be other days. We've been given a voucher, I must say. We were given a voucher to rebook next time, but a young lady over here needs to do her shoelaces.
I'm not doing that.
Do your shoelaces, young lady. I need to go and do her shoelaces later.
I don't understand why you hurt me. I don't understand why you wanna let me down. Can't understand.
We went there love coming over to the habitat section to see what they've got in stock. And what I see, I like. Wow, they're all like summery. Well, I actually don't need anything here today, so let's keep it moving.
It's good.
You left behind, you left behind. Oh, you left behind. You left behind, you left behind.
Rained and suddenly everywhere's cold. Luckily I have this blanket to keep me warm, so let's go.
Space you left behind.
It's a new day, so I'm back in the sewing room, in the crafts room, because I've got so much to do, that like so much stuff that needs to be done in little time, and we've got an airport run in about 2 hours, which means that I just need to get on with it. So I'm just going to plant the camera in the corner so you can watch me cut, sew, record a video, as well as everything else. I got this oil. It's called Skin Deep Dry Leg Oil, and it's a PR package from like the agency that I work with most of the time. And I've got it on my hands because I make craft videos. My hands are always on show, and most times they get really dry. And in between my thumb and my index finger, it gets quite dry and ashy. And I found this has been on since I started the work that I'm doing, and it's soaked in really well, and it hasn't like left oil marks on fabric or on paper or on, what was I working with, or on my camera, you know, that type of thing. So I think this is good. I'll let you know how I get on with this as time goes by. It's by This Works. Do you know what I'll do is I'll leave a link for this oil in my description box below. Isn't it just so nice when small businesses write hand-delivered notes to your order? Like, I don't know these people from anywhere. It was just a brand that I found on Instagram. And it's just so nice. It says, all bubble wrap has been reused, so please use again if you can. I just love getting these handwritten notes. It smells nice. We've got some wax melts. It's a cute little wax melting, burning, whatever it's called, pot. These were actually handmade in London, which is quite nice, special touch. Also, I got this. Oh, I didn't think I picked this. I thought I picked up the white one. So this is it's like concrete. It's made out of concrete, and it's a candle like stand. Put a candle here and probably jewelry on the side. I like it. It's cute. I think we've got some tea lights somewhere. I'm just going to pop that there and have some candle melts or wax melts in there. Nice.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die. That we would come to this. That we would say goodbye.
project. Okay.
No, it was yeah, we were. Okay,
Is that alright? That's great.
Bye! Oh my goodness.
Where he really ran me over the pavement is really, really
Who's this? That's mine. That's yours. This is Vanessa's then.
I always seem to neglect my plants, but I heard somewhere that you have to wait till evening time or early morning to water them.
Someone now help me see it. Oh.